as stated in Hebrews 12, verse 2, looking unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith, who, for the joy that was set before him, endured the cross, despising the shame, and is set down at the right hand of the throne of God.
Through his death, Christ conquered sin. Through his resurrection, he conquered death. Christian, the word gives us the assurance that in the war against the world, we are on the winning side. Jesus, the ultimate conqueror, has laid the foundation for our victory through salvation.
Believers in Christ have confidence that he who began the great work of salvation will be faithful to fight for us until the last day.
Believer, have faith that there is no power in earth or in heaven that is greater than our God.
And nothing ever can, nothing ever will